Alright, coming to this step here, release the wheel sensor. I kinda hard for me to take this out, so I just don't want to damage sensor. So I just detach from the top here and disconnect these two anchor here. And one right there, one right here. And I already take the tank shields off, and I also take the tank strap. So now I'll try to lower a little bit, try to see if I can have a room for the bolt removing. Okay, the tank's almost empty, so I know that it's not heavy now. Okay, I have to disconnect the tank probably, because not much room. Okay, what I do, I'm going to push the tank a little bit like this, so I can taking out the bolt from the other side here. As long as my hand can go inside here, so that means I can take it out from the inside. Okay, so now I'm going to loosen that bolt right here, that nut right there. Okay, this is size 24. Okay, now time to loosen the bottom. I'm going to loosen this bolt right there, and also the back here. So the back here I have to drop the because the hitch is blocking on this side right here, so I can't take it out, so I have to drop the hitch. Even though I loosened this 3 bolt here and still not clearing for that, so that means I have to drop the other side same as these 3 to get this hitch lower. Okay, if you don't have a hitch, then from here is pretty easy, but you have a hitch, so that you have to clear it out, be able to take these bolts out. There's 2 bolts in the bumper here. You have to loosen it too, otherwise it doesn't drop all the way. So now I drop that, so this got plenty of room to pull the bolts out now. Oop. Let's fit through, so I have to do manually. Paint in the butt. It'll take too much time. Okay, so now I need to loosen this forward bolt right there, and also have a jack to support the differential down there. Okay, if you don't, it can fall down pretty hard. This is number 21. Okay. Slowly. Okay, so now that's free. Like that. Let's do the front. Now the bolts come out. There. That is the broken lift spring right there. Okay, need to take that out. Put the new ones in. All right. I'm not tightening so much, so I have a play. So when I put in this, much easier. A little bit higher. Hammer it. Alright. So now it's fit, so I can push from the inside. Okay, this side's good. So let's do the back first before I tighten it up. Not sure my camera can see it, but you should know how to do from here. There. Whew. Alright, good already. It's good. Time to push the tank back up. Make sure it's all the way to the wall. Put the filler necks up here. Tie the filler neck first, then come back from the strap. Okay, put it. There's a 3 screw holding it. So time to put the strap back up. Make sure the tank is up so you can fit the strap in. This one's a little bit harder because the space is not much. You can't really see where the boat is going to. Okay, it looked like a lot of torque, but it's not. Okay, with this long extension, you have to use hand to tight to make sure it's tight. Make sure the strap is strapped all the way. Okay, time to put this sensor back up. Alright, now your turn to do your. And thank you for watching. Help me subscribe, please. Bye bye now.